Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send large video files on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to send large video files, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp app and here just select the chat in which you want to send the video file that I have. Now you have a simple method that you just have to send your video as a document. So just select this option and from here just select the document option. And here you just have to select choose from gallery, and here you will get to the videos you have. I'm going to open this one, just select that, not abandon option, and here you can see that the video has almost 69 megabyte size, but there is 16 megabyte limit size of WhatsApp to send a video. So if with the help of this method you can send almost video files up to 2 gigabyte, almost 2 GB. So you must have to use that method. So in this way you can easily send large videos on any WhatsApp chat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.